That is true. It is steamy out there. We've had a lot of just humid days. Let's check in with Brian Goddard to see just how many more we have ahead. Brian?
This is definitely the humid day we've had quite a bit. I mean, yesterday, a little on the sticky side, but that breeze felt so good. Today, the humidity has arrived, but there's a cold front knocking on the door. Here it is. Don't think we're going to get back into the 70s with low humidity. It is going to stay warm through the weekend, but what it will do is give us a little relief from that humidity throughout the day tomorrow, and then it inches back up over the weekend. There are a few scattered showers in the central part of the state, one down by Janesville and Beloit. Only a 20% chance of an isolated shower this afternoon. Don't count on it. I mean, if you do see it, it'll be brief. It's not going to help your lawn or your flowers. We need rain desperately, maybe Saturday evening. To the graphics we'll go, and we have temperatures this morning in the 60s and 70s. 77 for the low here in Milwaukee. That's our normal high temperature, so you know when you're starting off that warm, it is going to be a hot day. And because of that, that heat advisory for all of southeastern Wisconsin until 8 o'clock tonight for heat index approaching 105 degrees. There are some spots that are already there, if not a little bit above it. It feels like 106 in Racine, 104 here in Milwaukee, and 112 in Watertown. Their dew point might be reading just a little bit high, but you get the idea. It's hot, and that's in the shade. You can easily add 10 to 12 more degrees to that if you're out walking in the sun. The actual temperature is 94 in the shade. Once again, you're walking around Summerfest, it probably feels like about 104 to 106, and then you factor in the humidity. It is hazy out there today. You will see a few clouds develop with that front trying to pass on through, and there's a 20% chance of a shower. The dew points, 73. We're complaining about the heat and humidity. This is a typical day in the South. Florida is like this every day for 6 months straight. We get it for a day or two, and we're unhappy. They get it for 6 months straight. Because of the heat, the humidity, we're giving today a 3 on the Goddard gauge from 1 to 10 because of the 3 H's, hazy, hot, and humid. We don't like it very much. We like the 80s and low humidity, but it is sticky today. Those dew points are in the 70s. That's tropical air that you would see down in the deep south, but here's some relief, 40s and 50s. That is here for tomorrow. So it stays hot. We'll stay around 90 degrees, but it'll feel more comfortable, especially with a lake breeze trying to develop right along the lakefront. Then that humidity inches back up for the weekend and into Monday. Our best chance of rain Saturday evening and into Sunday. Hopefully your lawn gets some. That front will bring some drier air in for tomorrow, but it continues to be warm, maybe even hot with temperatures close to 90 degrees. And then we're going to watch this front down to the south of us tomorrow. It's going to bring severe weather into Iowa and the Plain States. It'll inch its way up toward us during the day on Saturday. Most of the day on Saturday looks to be dry. But we'll see some isolated showers popping up late in the afternoon and the evening. I know there's some fireworks that are going on in some villages around the area. We could maybe even have some of those canceled because of the drought, but not the drought, but the dryness, but also because of some thunderstorm activity later in the day. Sunday looks to be the better chance for rain. Lows tonight back into the 60s and 70s, so that front's going to cool us down just a little bit, but still a warm night. And then for tomorrow around the state, temperatures in the 80s and 90s. 92 in Milwaukee, 90 Madison, and 86 in Rhinelander. For today, hot, 96 in the shade. And humid, an isolated chance of a thunderstorm. 70 tonight, warm and humid out there, and mostly clear. Tomorrow, the humidity will be cleansed from the atmosphere, but it's still going to be warm, 92 degrees. Kind of like yesterday, if you like that. 93 on Saturday with late-day storms, and the best chance of rain is Sunday, and 86. We stay in the 80s all next week. Summer's arrived.